ABML Morning Update. AI Summit emerging to be a turning point. It gains as alliances with global giants get forged, helping markets steady. Global markets. US market inched higher on Tuesday, but declines in software stocks kept the index's gains in check. S&P and Nasdaq gained 0.1%, while Dow climbed 0.07%. The software sector has been getting hit on fears that artificial intelligence tools could replace industry-specific software providers. AI disruption worries hit industries such as software, real estate, trucking, and financial services last week, pushing the S&P 500 to its second consecutive losing week. Those concerns appear to overshadow the latest consumer price index reading released Friday. The headline CPI data came in softer than economists polled by Dow Jones predicted for January. That followed a better-than-expected jobs report earlier in the week. Investors will get more insight into the path of inflation this week, with the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index report slated for Friday. Before then, they'll monitor Federal Reserve meeting minutes on Wednesday. The Pan-European Stock 600 ended the session 0.5% higher, with major regional bourses and most sectors broadly higher. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on February 17th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.21% at 83,451 and Nifty was up 0.17% at 25,725. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 59 points at 25,769, signaling a positive start to the trading session. The India AI Impact Summit commenced with high-level industry engagement, positioning capital formation and strategic partnerships as the primary outcome for India's emerging AI ecosystem. Amid intensifying techno-geopolitics and the absence of binding global frameworks across prior summits, 2023 to 2025, stakeholders expect commercial collaborations in infrastructure, data centers, and applied AI to take precedence. New Delhi is hosting global technology leaders and investors, with participation from leading compute, platform, and model firms, alongside domestic startups seeking cross-border capital and market access. The 5-day agenda emphasizes enterprise deployments and infrastructure scale-up, reflecting a sovereign approach to AI development, anchored in proprietary data and resilient supply chains. Industry voices highlight India's opportunity to showcase its open market digital ecosystem and attract incremental investment despite competitive pressures from US and China-led innovation cycles. Focus for the day: India money supply, US industrial production, UK CPI. Key corporate developments/policy actions. Bharat Heavy Electricals has received a letter of acceptance (LOA) from Steel Authority of India (SAIL) for a captive power plant in Burnpur. The contract is estimated at 1,200 to 1,500 crore rupees. Infosys reported launch of its AI First Value Framework to help global enterprises scale AI adoption using Infosys Topaz, positioning the company to capture a $300 to $400 billion AI services opportunity while expanding client wallet share through AI-led transformation. Adani Enterprises Limited reported a $100 billion commitment to build renewable energy-powered hyperscale AI-ready data centers by 2035, aiming to create an integrated sovereign energy compute platform that positions India as a global AI infrastructure hub while catalyzing a broader $250 billion ecosystem. Bharti Airtel reported its subsidiary Airtel Money received RBI registration as a Type 2 NBFC, enabling the company to expand into non-deposit taking financial services and strengthen its digital financial ecosystem. Fund flow. FII bought shares worth 9.95 billion rupees, while DII also bought for 1.87 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.